What to do if your washing machine gives an error code. As you can see, after turning on the washing machine at the end of its initial configuration, the monitor reports the error and flashes accompanied by a sound. On LG washing machines, this code represents the water level sensor. Let's proceed with the disassembly and replacement of the latter. After having mounted the new sensor, we perform a test to verify its functioning. If you want a more specific video on how to change the sensor or where to find it, write it to me in the comments.